The outdoor temperature is 11. We're going to take a walk. So, we're going to be getting geared up here. Heading out into the cold. Outdoor temp, 11 degrees. We're getting ready to go out for a walk. Gotta put on some boots. The dog might need a coat. Let's go for a walk. See, get the dog ready. She just loves this part. All dressed and so happy. Jackie, come on. You look so sad. First I have to get on my hoodie. Then Big Ugly. Husband's all bundled up, getting his supplies in order. I think I need to take a little nourishment before the trip. Cheese curl, that sounds good.
Well, mine's pretty full.
Honey. Honey.
What?
I need a full beer.
Would you like me to get you one?
If we want to have a fun walk in the woods, I think you better.
Take care of that.
Thank you. Jackie said, fuck that jacket. What's tough for everyone else is perfect for me. Pretty. You want to go for a walk?
It'll be a cold walk.
Come on.
Kiki.
Come on. Smarter than we are. Igloo doghouse. Got a bunch of snow on it.
When I come back, I gotta get 2 boxes of wood to last us through the night.
Okay, honey.
Back there.
Right on. Rock on. What's that?
This pile of wood's gonna last us a while. This fucking weather better straighten up. Come on, Jack.
We ain't got shit for wood. Let's see, it's like January 22nd, and this is the wood we have. We're fucked. Even though we're fucked, as far as firewood, that's just beautiful when the snow covers all the ugly stuff that you might have seen otherwise. Whoops, there's Daddy. Well, Michelle's daddy. I don't call him daddy. Bar 1, pretty much covered with snow. Hi, hon.
He's going down to the pie. He's going down to the
Here's a plastic shack. It's our little shelter from the wind. A little place to commune with nature. Or, you know, take the snow off the roof of the trailer. I'll let him handle this one on his own. LOL. It's too cold. We decided we're leaving. Going back home. I'll try to run in the snow. There we go. Whoa! Burr.
hey, cold.
It's fucking cold. Burr. Why do we do that, honey?
Huh?
Why do we do that?
We love nature.